Hey, toilet paper hand! Have you sold off your share of Bingham's butcher shop yet? Ooh, looks like you can't afford to lose any more of your paper.
Don't call me that, Bear. My name is Flush. Why would I sell Bingham's? Everyone was buying them a week ago.
Ooh, that was last week, TP. Everybody knows they're going downhill fast. I'd sell quick. You're one bad trade away from melting.
Huh? Oh no, it's dropped so much.
Told ya.
I'd better get rid of it before it drops even more. Oh man, I don't think I even have enough left to make another play.
Yeah!
Wow, Bear, what did you sell?
I sold Bingham's a week ago. I shorted it because I knew idiots like you would sell at the first sign of trouble. Woohoo! Sucker!
How could I have been so stupid to trust Bear? He's always like that.
Hey, Flush, did you get shorted by Bear again? Why do you listen to that guy?
I don't know, Jules. He seems like he knows what he's talking about. He has a YouTube channel.
Don't you think there might be a better way to learn to make better plays? I mean, you're pretty much out of paper. This clearly isn't working.
Hey, if there was a better way, I'd do it. I think I'm just gonna be stuck earning my paper back one square at a time, working here forever.
Hey, Flush, have you heard of the Diamond Sage of Benchmark Mountain? A lot of people don't believe he's real, and no one knows his name. Everyone just calls him Diamond Hands. If anyone can help you, it's probably him.
Well, how do I find him? Where does he live?
Supposedly he lives at the very top of Benchmark Mountain. They say he paid to flatten out the top to be large enough to fit his mansion.
All right. Ha-ha! I'm heading out, Jules. I'm going there right now. Okay. It's a little further than I thought. Is anyone here? You've traveled far, young man. Why have you come? To learn the secrets of trading so I can get my paper back. The secrets of trading are among the most valuable things you could learn in life, young one. They're not for the faint of heart, and few can bear the burden of their grandeur. You would do well to return home to find something better suited to you. Are you Diamond Hands? Please don't call me that. My name is Mr. Gaines, and you should leave now. Wait! I spent a week climbing that mountain to get here. I used my last paper to get the supplies I needed to make the trip. Please, Mr. Gaines. You're my only hope. You climbed the mountain? Seriously? How long did it take you? Isn't it snowing out there? Yes, it's been snowing non-stop for days. It took me almost a week to get here. I always take a helicopter up and down when I leave. I assumed you had done the same. But if you went through all that effort, I'll tell you what, Mr. Flush. My name is Flush. Flush! I'll tell you what, Mr. Flush. There are 3 secrets to trading that I can teach you. I'll teach you the first one, and only if you can handle the first one will I teach you the other 2. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you so much. When do we get started? Right now! Well, after dinner, and then it'll be kind of late, so maybe let's start first thing in the morning? ready for your first lesson? Absolutely. I'm so ready. Then come with me. Your first lesson is about how to decide what stocks to buy. You must learn well the lesson of due diligence. To learn this, you will build a home for yourself to live in while you are here. You want me to build a house? I don't know anything about building a house. Exactly. Just like you don't know anything about a business before you've researched the important things about it. Now, no more excuses. Let's get to it. The first part of doing your due diligence is building your foundation. Once you have clear goals and benchmarks, that's when you start looking for stocks that will help you build up to where you want to go. Just like with trees, to build your cabin, you want to look for stocks that show healthy growth, have good roots, and are strong in their current position. Your foundation needs to be level, clear, and smooth for you to make the right decisions. Well done, Flush. You have learned well the first secret of trading, due diligence. Get some rest. Tomorrow we begin the second lesson. The second secret is simple. Hold. Hold? Yes. Once you've chosen a stock, you need to hold until it's had time to heat up to where it needs to be. How long do I hold it? That depends on what you're cooking, doesn't it? If you're just making hot cocoa, you want to take it off before it's too hot. If you're making mac and cheese, it needs to be boiling before you take it off. This goes back to your foundation, Flush. What are your goals? How hot does the stock need to get before you can sell it to hit your goals? What am I making right now? Can I let go? Almost. I would like some oatmeal for my breakfast, so get the water just barely to boiling and then take it off. So, what's next? What's the third secret? Are you sure you're ready? Absolutely. I'm so ready. All right, Flush. Let's go back to your cabin. So, Flush, you built this cabin a few days ago. Would you say it's perfect? No? I don't think it's perfect. I mean, I think it's good, but there's no way it's perfect. That's exactly right. The same is true of any plans you make. Some logs will have flaws that you didn't see, and sometimes something you could never predict comes flying in from left field and ruins your plan. Now, what are you going to do? I guess I fix it? Yes, you fix it. And you build it up stronger, so that even if another boulder comes swinging from nowhere, it won't break. You also keep going around your cabin looking for signs that a log is going to fail. So, what's the secret then? Homework, Flush. The third and final secret I can teach you is to do your homework after you've started a play to spot weaknesses and flaws that you missed before you started. When you're trading, you'll have no one to do this with you, but I'll help you fix your cabin. I feel bad for making such a big hole. I didn't think the boulder would hit that hard. How did you learn all this, Mr. Gaines? Oh, you know, a little genie told me. Thanks for everything, Mr. Gaines. Can I call you if I have questions? Of course.
Hey, toilet paper hands. You've been awfully quiet this week. You're definitely gonna buy some stock in Angie's Pet Shop, right? It's been going up for days.
No, Bear. I actually used up all the paper I had a few days ago to buy Angie's Pet Shop before it started to rise. It looked like a good bet, and it's risen enough now that I can sell and take a look at some other options.
Oh, wait. You're selling? When?
Just sold. Right then.
No! I just bought yesterday! Now the price is dropping because you sold!
Sorry, Bear. I guess you've just got toilet paper hands.